Yo, all I need is one mic, one beat, one stage, one nigga front my face on the front page. Only if I had one gun, one girl and one crib, one God to show me how to do things.
My hands up. Please don't shoot. I'm unarmed. Lord, let me make it through this night unharmed. Can't move, yet they keep telling me, stay calm. Where's a good neighbor when you need one? State Farm. I'm hoping that their body cam caught me getting body slammed. But then again, it don't matter, because they don't give a mighty damn. They said that I'm resisting arrest, but with your knee on my neck, I can't breathe. I'm just resisting my death. Sir, I'm no threat. Just got off work and going home. In my left pocket is my information and my phone. All you gotta do is check it. Not only am I not a criminal, but you're gonna see that I don't even have a record. I'm wrongfully suspected. A law-abiding citizen exercising my innocence, you're supposed to protect it. I wonder what I did wrong. You just keep asking me questions, saying something about drugs and what I do with the weapon. What I'm doing around here, I already told you that. Just got off work, got off the bus here to walk the rest. I don't know nothing about no drugs. I ain't never owned a gun. I'm definitely not a thug, and I ain't trying to be one. He said that ain't gonna get it done, and he started to lose patience. I guess the answer I gave him ain't helping the situation. He put his gun in my head and asked me, do I think he's racist? And I said, if I'm under arrest, please take me to the station. I'm so nervous, I'm shaking. It's gotta be a nightmare, and if so, it's past due for me to be awakened. But no, this the real deal. That pistol is real steel. He told me stay real still, cause I am trained to kill. Now I know how it feels when they're racially profiling. Just because I got on Timbs and a hoodie don't mean I'm violent. I know my rights, and one of them is to remain silent, which I need to do since every time I speak you think I'm lying. Man, I'm just trying to keep from dying. I got a wife and kid. I'd rather do a bid before I let you put one in my lid. My nervousness turned to fear. I admit, I was scared. His pistol to my head. One wrong move, I might be dead. Then he said, I hate this job, I hate this city, and I hate niggas. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't squeeze the trigger. Damn. Man, I was so scared, I started to stutter. I didn't do nothing. Were the only words that I can utter. This the worst day of my life, but still I wish to see another. Always obey authority were the words of my mother. Then my thoughts were interrupted when gunshots erupted. Authority my mama trusted turned out to be corrupted. I must have blacked out. So I don't never know the reason why I, this innocent black man, was killed this evening. 4 shots fired, 2 to the head, 2 to the spine. The crazy part is, the cop's face was the same color as mine. Damn. Rest in peace, Tyrese Nichols. Thank you.